In the video tutorial, I'm going to address LTR left to right, just straight up. We make the class. We equate it with this void main. This we delete. This we do. Material app. Next, give me a comma. Let's do it again. The new class. In my Flutter, which is class. Home, his widget. We'll make a widget later. Home page, yeah. Here still, colored red, because we haven't made. We are creating a new class, whose name is home page. We make scaffold. Here we give title yes. Hello. Here we add more. For his scaffold, well, in this center there will be a child setting. Then, Well, here. That I mean. LTR, that was the text direction. Well, later here we can make the text direction. LTR, oh here, he has a choice. Next, there is a style. Added text style. Well, this can later. We just enter. In this text style, there later we make. Font size, yes. The size of the letters. I made it, for example, 50. Then comma. There later. Font style. It's got a font. Font style. There's normal, there's italic. There I made italic. Font style italic. Well, I'll give you the color. Then that. Colors. Well, here directly, I made the colors. Red, yeah. Well, now try me. Save. CTRL plus S will be immediately smoothed. His script. Next, we can run by choosing. Run. Start debugging or press F5 key on the keyboard. Yes, just. Well, here there are two who have run yeah. Actually, there was already one. Run we live automatic control S. He will load. Running it. But I clicked on this earlier. View. Sorry, run start the buging. Let you guys know. How to. Running it. Well, the result. Like this, yeah. Well, actually this. Text direction. This .ltr is not to highlight it. It doesn't look in the middle. Because the size of the letters, which is too big. Font size is too big. If you want us to make it to the middle, indeed the middle average, his orders, we put it here. Well, like this, his orders. We save CTRL plus S. We'll see the results. Well, he's right in the middle. If we don't want using this order, we just change the size instead of the text. See the results like this. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.